Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sign up for Zoom. To begin, navigate to the official Zoom website, Zoom, Us, or launch the Zoom application on your device. Look for the prominent Sign Up, It's Free button, typically located in the top right corner of the web page or near the bottom left in the app, and click it. You will then be prompted to enter your birth date to confirm you meet the age requirements for creating an account. After verifying your age, the next step is to provide your email address. Zoom will send a one-time, 6-digit verification code to this email. Please check your inbox, and if you don't see it, remember to look in your spam or junk folder. Once you have the code, return to the Zoom sign-up page and enter it into the designated field to verify your email and continue with the account creation process. Now it's time to secure your account. You'll need to create a strong, unique password, ensuring it meets Zoom's security requirements. Next, enter your first and last name to personalize your profile. Zoom might offer an option to invite colleagues or friends at this stage. Feel free to skip this step for now, as you can always invite others later once your account is fully set up and ready to go. Congratulations, your Zoom account is now ready. With a free account, you can host meetings with up to 100 participants. You'll also enjoy the flexibility of unlimited one-on-one meetings, which have no time restrictions. For group meetings involving 3 or more people, there is a 40-minute time limit per session. You can now start or schedule meetings, connect with others, and explore Zoom's essential collaboration tools.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.